This is a song I wrote about working on the railroad in Virginia. Back when I was full-time on the old seaboard coastline, sometimes I wouldn't get to sleep for days, and the men would all go home to their wives and their families. They tried to forget that they were slaves. Railroad will wreck you, it'll pay you then forget you. Don't let it, my friend. Maybe we'll railroad again. I remember Cecil Carver, many couldn't have been built harder. He'd chew tobacco, chew his smoke, chew your head off. Though Lupo was still fighting, he would never stop trying. Bring back his old job and ride the rear caboose. You worked a day and the days you pay, the days what took your life away. Don't let it, my friend, 'cause baby we'll railroad again. And I remember in the evenings, like some outlaws screaming, we'd be running through your town, sanding in. I remember early morning, engineer he's snoring. Yeah, we're stuck in some old siding, waiting on the train. Now that I've gone away, my mind goes back to those lonely days. Don't let it, my friend, 'cause maybe